Lemons, you're zesting them all wrong. I've been doing this for probably about a decade. This is a microplane. It's kind of fine. Fun fact, actually microplanes used to be used as a wood chipper. They were like more coarse, like this. Anyways, microplane, you take the lemon and then over here, look, check it out. That's actually, no, not the move. You could try to get it evenly, but it's just a big pain in the ass. You're gonna get really uneven. This is the move right here. So, lemon, take your zester, kind of hold it backwards, I guess, and then we're just gonna work our way around the lemon. Sort of like you're trying to peel it, if that makes sense. And now, I'm covering all the surface area of the lemon instead of just one area. There's no like back and forth motion, there's no wasted motion. So I'm also gonna save my wrists, I'm gonna save time, and I'm gonna save money because I'm getting all of the zest from that lemon. And check it out. Hella zest. The lemon is clean, by the way. I mean, it's not perfectly clean because I'm not that perfect. Anyways, look, clean. That's the way I would recommend zesting a lemon. That's the way I've been doing it for a while at work. When I say at work, I just mean the restaurants I used to work at. Now, say you don't have a microplane and you want the zest, you're in a pinch. Here's how I can show you how to do it with a knife. Now, mind you, it's not gonna be as nice, but it's good for if you're in a pinch. And I've done this actually plenty of times. Say if I'm cooking at someone's house and they don't have a zester or a microplane, this works. It's not the best, but it works. So you would just cut it into little wedges, and then you would just cut the pith off with your knife. And if you want it to be smaller, of course, just maybe chop it in half or whatever, and then you're left with like some sort of lemon zest. Or if they happen to have, oh, where is it? If they happen to have a peeler and they don't have a zester, you could just peel that, and then you can go on to chopping it. And then you'd be left with zest. And also you could pickle that zest, which I've shown in the past. But that's just the tip. Day 2. No lemons were wasted in the making of this video. Lemon water, it's great. Keeps you nice and lean.